Next, I'm going to discuss about the try and method of this program. So if you debug the code, control comes to main method. Hereafter that coincides. So at here I have taken two integer variable. First is I, second j. So at here control comes to for loop. So I value start from 1. That check the condition 1 less than equal to 5. Condition is true. That coincides. So at here j value start from 1. That check the condition j less than equal to I value, j value both are 1. So 1 equal to 1 condition is true. That coincides. Console.write method. So first that print a space. Hereafter that concatenate jmod to value. So j value is now 1 mod 2. So at here remainder come 1. So 1 mod 2 remainder come 1. So 1 concatenate with a space. So this value is now 1. Hereafter j increase. So j is 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than 1 condition is not true, not coincide. Hereafter control comes to this point, console class dot write line method, then cursor bring to the new line. Hereafter that increase the value of I. So I is now 2. Check the condition 2 less than 5 condition is true, that coincide. J value start from 1. Check hat here 1 less than equal to I value is 2. 1 less than equal to 2 condition is true, that coincides. So at here console class dot write method. So first that print a space. Hereafter j mod 2. So 1 mod 2 j value is now 1, 1 mod 2, the value come 1. So 1 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is 2 now. Check the condition 2 equal to 2, condition is 2, that coincide here. Console dot write. So 2 mod 2, the value come 0. So that print 0. Hereafter that increase the value of j, so j is now 3. Check the condition 3 less than equal to 2, condition is not to not coincide. Hereafter control comes to this point, console comes dot write line method. So cursor bring to the new line. Hereafter that curve increase the value of I. So I is now 3. Check the condition 3 equal to 5. Condition is to j start from 1 again. At here check the condition 1 less than equal to I value 3. Condition is to that coincides. So enter console class dot write method. So j mod 2. So j value is now 1. 1 mod 2. The value come 1. So that print 1. Hereafter j increase. So j is now 2. Check the condition 2 less than 3. Condition is to that coincide. That print 2 mod 2. The value comes 0, so 0 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 3. Check the condition 3 equal to 3, condition is to that coincide. Console class dot write method. So 3 mod 2, the value comes 1, so 1 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 4. Check the condition 4 less than equal to 3, condition is not to not coincide. Hereafter console class dot write line method. Then cursor blink to the new line. Hereafter j that curve increase the value of I. So I is now 4. Check the condition 4 less than 5. Condition is to that coincide here. J will start from 1 again. Check the condition 1 less than I value is 4. Condition is to that coincide. Console class dot write method. So first that concatenate. First that print a space. Hereafter concatenate I mod or j mod 2 value. So j value is now 1. 1 mod 2. The value come 1. So 1 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 2. Check the condition 2 less than 4. Condition is to that coincides. So console class dot write method. So at 2 mod 2, the value come or 0. So 0 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 3. Check the condition 3 less than 4. Condition is to that coincides. So at 3 mod 2, the value come 1. 1 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 4. At check the condition 4 equal to 4. Condition is to that coincides. So at that print 4 mod 2 value. So remainder come 0. 0 print. And hereafter that curve increase the value of j, so j is now 5. Check the condition 5 less than 4, condition is not to not coincide. Hereafter console cast dot write line methods, then control cursor bring to the new line. Hereafter that curve increase the value of I, so I is now 5. Check the condition 5 equal to 5, condition is to that coincide. J value start from 1. And here check the condition 1 less than 5, condition is to that coincides. Here console cast dot write method, so right here 1 mod 2, the value remainder come 0, so 0 print. Sorry, 1 mod 2, the remainder come 1, so 1 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is now or 2. Check the condition 2 less than 5, condition is to that coincide. Here 2 mod 2, the value remainder come 0, so 0 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 3. Check the condition 3 less than 4, 3 less than I value is 5, condition is to that coincide. So right here 3 mod 2, remainder come 1, so 1 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 4. Check the condition for less than 5, condition is 2, that coincides. So at here 4 mod 2, remainder come 0, so 0 print. And hereafter that increase the value of j, so j is now 5. Check the condition 5 equal to 5, condition is 2, that coincides. So at here 5 mod 2, remainder come 1, so 1 print. Hereafter j increase, so j is now 6. Check the condition 6 less than equal to 5, condition is not true, so that not coincide. Hereafter control comes to this point, console class dot write line method, then cursor print to the new line. Hereafter that curve increase the value of I, so I is now 6. Check the condition 6 less than 5, condition is not true, so that not coincide. Hereafter control comes to this point, console class dot readline method, so this take one input from keyword and terminate the output as well. So this is the output we get. So this is the try method of this program, so I hope guys you understand. So right here I'm going to discuss now mod operator. So right here if I'm going to give for mod 2, so if I'm going to divide 2 by 4, so you divide by 2 times here 4, so remainder come 0, so mod operator return 0, so this value is now 0. Suppose if I enter 5 mod 2, so right here if I'm going to divide 2 by 5, so you divide by 2 times, so 4, 2 into 2, 4, add here, remainder come 1. So 5 mod 2, the value come 1. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you in next video.